There is a place surrounded by rugged beauty, a place secluded and private, a place that puts the adventure of Mother Nature's playground at your back door. A legacy home where memories are made, memories that will last a lifetime. Lone Wolf Ranch fulfills your quest for a luxury equestrian property. A carpet of green pasture land is nestled under the shadows of Broken Top and South Sister. The sound of thundering hooves combine with the symphony of nature to create a soundtrack that is soothing. You will have plenty of room to run free, room to relax, room to reconnect, room to reinvent. This private hideaway is your retreat from the trappings of everyday life. Find yourself surrounded by massive timbers, impressive stonework, and walls of windows that invite the outdoors in. The pond is stocked with bass and it begs for a line to be cast or a boat to be launched. The home is a welcome respite after a day in the saddle, where private access to the BLM's 32,000-acre Klein Butte recreation area are yours for the taking. Explore the best of Central Oregon's flora and fauna, from old-growth juniper to sagebrush-stepped grasslands, ancient lava flows that carve rugged canyons along the Deschutes River. At the end of a long day on the dusty trails, the verdant fields roll out the welcome mat. The sprawling patio is secluded and serene. Soak up the pastel-splashed sunset with your family and best friends by your side. This impressive estate was custom-made for entertaining. The open floor plan is awash in natural light. Soaring vaulted ceilings make it feel spacious, while the natural elements help to make it cozy and inviting. This is a place your family and friends will want to visit again and again. And getting them here is easy. 4 major carriers serve the Redmond Airport with 28 daily flights. The city of Bend, Redmond, and Sisters are just miles away. Each town boasts its own individual Northwest flavor, with a range of restaurants, galleries, shops, and boutiques. Central Oregon is an outdoor lover's paradise. The renowned Mount Bachelor Ski Resort is less than an hour away, offering 100+ runs and diverse terrain. There's also dog sledding, cross-country skiing, and snowshoeing for the wintertime fun. This is one of those special places where you can ski in the morning and golf in the afternoon. And there are over 30 internationally known courses from which to choose. Hiking trails, scenic bike routes, and rock climbing are other popular pursuits. Water sports are abundant on the area's lakes and rivers. Think kayaking, rafting, fishing, and boating. Elegance in the country. That's what you get at Lone Wolf Ranch. The property caters to those who appreciate horsepower under the hood as much as horsepower under the saddle. An ideal day at the perfect property. It will give you a sense of place that you have always been longing for. This can be yours every day of the year. Welcome home to Lone Wolf Wolf Ranch.